This is a shower head I got from Amazon. I'm gonna open it. It has 10 settings, and I'm gonna show you in this video how to install it, and we're gonna test it together. So this is the hose. This is some Teflon tape. This is the neck, and this is the head. So the head is pretty nice. So let me open it here like this. You have two washers, so let's go and install it. This is the neck of the shower. The first thing you need to do is to put some Teflon tape on it. So this is the provided Teflon tape. And that's enough. And now you need to install the neck of the shower. So this one doesn't need a washer here. So you need to put it here and screw it in. So make sure it is screwed tightly. And then when it is screwed tightly, make sure this part points downwards, because this is where you're gonna put the hose. Now you need to put a washer in this part of the hose. So put the washer in like this. And then you need to tighten it on the neck of the support here, like this. And it can be tightened by hand. If you cannot tighten it enough by your hand, you can also use like a plier. And now you need to install the shower head in this part here of the hose. Make sure you put a washer inside. So this is the second washer. And then for the shower head, it screws in like this. So screw it in also tightly. Make sure it is really tight. So push it down like this. So here it is installed. So you remove it like this, and it goes in like this very easily. So let me try it now. And it is really good. And here you can change the settings. So let me show you the sprayer of the shower head now. So it sprays like this. It is really powerful. So that was it for this installation and the review of the shower head. If you want to check out this shower head, I'm going to leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. If you make a purchase using my link, I will gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will help my channel. I want to thank you all for watching and see you in the next video. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House.